This is a gorgeous summer salad. Big, juicy grilled prawns, sweet watermelon, all brought together with the freshness of summer mint. Mix the olive oil and sumac spice together and toss through the prawns. Cover and marinate for 20 minutes. Grill the prawns on a barbecue for 3 minutes on each side until pink, firm and curled up. Finely slice the red onion and mix with a tablespoon of olive oil and lemon juice. Leave this to pickle for 5 minutes. Toss together the baby spinach leaves and the marinated red onion, olives, watermelon, feta, and place the prawns on top. Drizzle over extra lemon, olive oil and fresh mint. This is a really she little recipe and you're going to look great in front of your friends and family this summer.